Donation is supreme pure energy to give people. Dhamma means what? Dana is not only material. Bhikkhu and bhikkhu, the collecting the dana, for what purpose? दुख तुम्हारे कभी पीछा नहीं छोड़ेगा, मृत्यु तुम्हारी लिखी हुई है और रोग तुम्हारे साथ चलता रहेगा बैलगाड़ी की पहिए की तरह. If you are not moral, you are not a Buddhist. You are not moral, you are not any religious. I, Acharya, myself, Bodhi Dharmananda, Dr. Gyan Prakash. The nature make your beautiful journey. Consciousness come to the brain, mind, chitta, janam, rog, बुढ़ापा और मृत्यु ये परम सत्य है. Vinay Pitaka already explained Abhidhamma conduct the life of the time. Sutta Pitaka to how they live the life. Buddha already said चित्त की संवेदना में चलना ही तुम्हारा जीवन का सुख की अनुभूति और आनंद होगा. तो धम्म शक्खो लोको हित जगते साधक, अर्थात चित्त के द्वारा दुख और सुख को जानना और सुख दिलाने के लिए सत्य ज्ञान की धारण करके लोगों तक पहुंचाने की बात को चित्त साधना. इसलिए चित्त वेदना बोला जाता है, धम्म वेदना बोला जाता है, काया वेदना बोला जाता है. द रिफ्लेक्शन टू द काया completion with the chitta, completion with the dhamma. Dhamma means what? That holding something for the good cause of life, to survival, to another benefits. Because this is not originated by you, this is originated by the supreme consciousness of the nature that's called elements. Huh? Yes. That elements. Elements that means tejo, that's called Agni, Jal, Vayu, Mitti and Akash. It is Brahma. So therefore Buddhas all explain it. The Almighty Siddhartha, my dear brother, he already told Jati, Janam, Jati, Zara, Vyadhi, Maran, Mahaparipuchasa. जन्म, रोग, बुढ़ापा और मृत्यु ये परम सत्य है, इसे कोई भी अछूता नहीं जा सकता. तो ये जो दान की जो प्रक्रिया है, that means bhikkhu and bhikkhu, the collecting the dana, for what purpose? To becoming the capitalism, for what purpose? That is not solving the purpose. Your dana will be diffused by, maybe you will get the reaction from the dana for your life survival. That is called